Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechAround 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to wirelessly charge your phone in your car. And so to do that, we're going to be featuring a device from a company called CarChi Wireless. And as you can see, I have the device in my hand, and it comes in a kind of simple plain box, and not much on it. Just has the company's name and website on the side of it, carchiwireless.com. And the interesting thing here is where it says here that they make up 100 different wireless chargers. Well, they make up wireless chargers that can fit in 100 different cars. So I'm sure they have one that will fit yours. So today we're going to be putting it into a Honda Accord, and this device will fit in any Honda Accord from 2018 to 2022, and it could be a Honda Accord Sport, a LX or EX, or a Touring Accord. And so let's open the box up real quick and see what we have inside. And so after opening it, what we see right off is we have an information manual. Be sure to take a look at that and go by what it says. And we don't have much inside here. We have the charging pad itself. And so your phone will go in this area to be charged, and just here is just like a little spare area where you can just leave your sunglasses per se. We have a cord here that plugs into the pad, on and off switch on that pad there. And we have a cigarette lighter charger, and it's a fast charger, Qualcomm 3.0. And so pretty simple looking. It looks like it shouldn't be hard to install. So what we're going to do real quick is going to run outside to the car and get it installed real quick. Okay, now we're in the car. As you can see, we're positioned over the console area. Here's the gear shift, and this is the cubby where the wireless charger is going to go. So we're going to open that up. And as you can see, there's nothing in there. I've removed all my little junk I had in there. And we're going to install the wireless charger. And so as you know, the wireless charger only came in 3 pieces. We had the pad, the cord, and the cigarette lighter adapter. So we're going to take the cigarette lighter adapter, and we're going to grab the cord, and we're going to plug the cord into the adapter real quick. And so, plug it in this way. We're going to plug the cord into the adapter. And we're going to take the adapter and put it into the cigarette lighter. And then we're going to go and grab the pad, the charging pad, and plug the cord into it. Okay, we got our pad all plugged in. We can hit our button right here for the power. And as you can see, there's a blue light that lights up, LED indicator. Also, there is another USB port there. There is a USB port there. So if you want to charge something else up, you can plug it up there. And just to show you that the pad is working, we have a phone with us. We have a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra here. And if you set it on top of the pad, you will see that it is charging. So we're going to set it on top of the pad real quick. And as you can see, the indicator, we're going to do it one more time. You'll see the charging indication saying 72%. So we're going to move that out the way, and we're going to slide our pad into the cubby. Now this pad is made up for a Honda Accord, and again, we're saying that this pad will work for a Honda Accord 2018 through 2022. So that slides on into there perfectly. And so all you would do is when you get in your car, you would just take your phone, slide it down in there, and you will see the indicator again. The battery indicator is saying 72%. Also, you can probably set a pair of glasses down in there. Also, too, like we said, you have a extra USB slot there, so you can take a cord and plug a cord into the USB slot there, and then maybe take another phone, which we have another phone with us, and this is the Galaxy Flip 3, Z Flip 3. You can plug it up and you can see it is being charged to from the charging pad, and you can let that sit there, or put it in your ashtray like so. And so this is definitely a useful piece of equipment, this wireless charger. So that's it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the like button and hit the bell icon too, to so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.